All right, y'all. 2023 for fireworks, downtown Detroit. Last year we did the video from the rooftop, which is the building just to the left there with the blue ring around it. They're shooting them off from the boat behind the round building, the GM building. So we got on top of the Blue Cross Blue Shield building last year. This year we doing the city shot. We got one of the best spots in the city. It's not crowded. Me and the little man out here all alone. Oh, look. We about, I'll say, a half a mile back. Clear view. We'll be back to you as soon as they start going off, which should be about 2 minutes. Catch you then. Hey guys, so they say it's gonna be the climax of the show is gonna last for the whole 24 minutes of the fireworks show. As you see, I got my light up strings going. Wayne got his light up strings going. Oh yeah, you ready for some fun, baby?
Yeah.
We got some subs, some pops, bucket full of ice and pop and snacks. It's finna go down, baby. Any second now, the first shot going up and it's going down. Let's see what they got. Let's see if it actually lasts 24 minutes of a climactic show. Not doing pace, but almost a finale for the whole 24 minutes. The parade company in Ford puts it on and they said it's going to be the biggest show yet for 2023. Let's see what happens. Here we go. It's not getting up that high this year.
Yeah. There's the fireworks. Whoa. There it is. Oh. Whoa. 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 Pink. 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 Green. Ooh. Pink. Another pink. It's like multicolored. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the clouds. Whoa. Boom. Whoa. Boom. Oh, goodness. Camera out there. I need my. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Wait. Wait. No. I'm trying to have my two. Two. Whoa. Look. Two. Look, Jill. Look. Whoa. Stars. Whoa. Boom. Whoa. Yeah. Look. Oh, goodness. You see it? Look. Whoa. What the heck?
That's why you ain't go back on that rooftop, because you ain't want to hear them bangs up close.
Oh, no. I'm not. No, hey. I'm not. Chill. Pumping right now. You see it? You see it? Yeah, trying to get. Alright. And two. Shooting fires out of the cannon.
On your way down to my house, because we send them off too. Yep, we about to send them off. Huh? Yep. She got a whole lot of. She got a whole lot.
Yeah, y'all. It's not as good as my rooftop view, but we can still see it.
Red.
Look. See the fireworks?
Whoa.
We in. Put it up. Put the camera.
Oh, whoa.
Pretty.
That one white one just went up to the sky.
Oh, you right there at it too. He right there. Oh my God. You irritating.
Oh, loud bang.
Man, is we right by each other? Oh, look at look at. Period.
Start it.
Mm-hmm.
Start it. Big boom. Whoa. It's gonna have that big boom in the end. It's gonna have that big boom. Ready?
What you doing?
Look. Go from the side.
Huh?
Let's go from the side.
What you doing?
Come on.
I'm sorry, y'all. There's some people around me.
Do your big one.
Oh,
Do your big
okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. So good. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit.
Yo, we right here. What street you on? What street you on? What street you on?
Bang! Bang! Wow! Big ones. Oh, it's like explosions. It's like explosions. It's exploding, popping, boom. Bang, bang. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. I will. I'm excited.
We'll be back for the finale. I figure we'll catch a little bit more before the finale, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
They made a heart. Did y'all see the heart? Y'all see the heart? Y'all see the heart? Look at that. You see the heart? Look at the heart. They do they big when I told you they never did that. They never did that. They never did that. Heart, they crown heart.
Yep, I seen the hurt too.
You see it? The red ones. I gotta be still for real now. I gotta get the heart. Oh, they made it kissy.
I got that hurt.
Jeez. Ooh, it's gonna be big. Oh.
She tests.
I know y'all finna gotta be loud. Come on.
Yeah, do y'all big one.
It's the finale. Flashing. Whoa.
It's the finale.
Flashing.
Let's go.
You said at the beginning it's gonna last every 24 hours. Right, Daddy?
24 minutes.
24 minutes.
We only about halfway.
It's halfway.
Yeah, we only halfway.
I'm up there.
We still got another 12 minutes before the end.
It's gonna shoot off another one. I knew it. It's gonna shoot off another one. Big D. Whoa, whoa, whoa. With the hots. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, all right.
Come here. Oh, okay. Okay, come here. Come here. Look at that. Look at that. Come here, cuz. Come here, cuz. Woo. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, my God. Ah, no. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, they doing this. Yeah, I like that. Okay, good. Let's go all the time. Do your thing. You can't do it all the time. This comes out. You will see it. Right, you will see it tomorrow. I got a vision with you. Right, we don't got to take everything. I got the whole thing for the car. Let's go.
Dad, that's not a thing. It's not loud. Not loud.
Pop it out. I want to see the finale. That's all I want to see is the finale.
Yeah, I want to see the finale.
I want to see the finale.
So I'm down with the finale.
Let's get to the finale.
Still got 10 minutes.
That's it. Oh,
It's 24 minutes long this
we
year.
got 24. Hey, it's long this year.
The finale.
Yeah.
Yes. Yep. Oh my. Oh, whoa. Oh.
I'm getting messages and calls. I'm stopping my video.
Without working. For real.
And these trees.
Let's go. One time. Yeah. When the finale over, then I'm leaving.
And when I get back to Greg.
How you get back to Grass?
No.
I came from that way.
You go around this way or you
Turn around and go back through the curve right here.
Oh, okay.
Make a left at the first corner.
I want to get 75. That's what I'm saying. 75.
That way to 75.
Huh?
That way to 75. You're going to go around the curve, make a left, then a right. And you right on 75 entrance ramp.
Oh, make a left. Where?
Make a left at this next corner. You're going to come around the curve and make a left at the first corner. Then a right at the light. And you at the service drive.
Oh, okay. I already do.
Oh, they did.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I wanted some M80s. If y'all don't let them on,
Oh my.
Can you get over your sound fear so we can get back on the rooftop next year?
I don't know. It's just that big.
You can watch Mommy's video. She's doing her video from the rooftop.
What? Oh,
See if you can take it.
come on, man. I can take it. She is up there.
Yeah, or where I did my video last year on top of her building.
She can struggle with sound.
Yeah.
Up in the rooftop.
Let's hope you get over that sound fear you got. You can look down on the boat while they shoot it.
Oh, yeah. She can handle the struggle. It's loud fire.
8 minutes left, buddy.
what's going on? Right here. Right here by your house.
Jeez. Oh.
You guys walk over my house? Oh, yeah. Where now go?
Got about 4 minutes, buddy.
This is like a lot. It's coming.
Yeah, 4 minutes, and then they'll start their finale.
4 minutes. Mommy is up there. She can have her one up on the rooftop.
Yeah, you should be able to see their heads moving on the rooftop from my camera,
Yeah. You can see.
because I'm zoomed in.
Yeah.
They're moving right there. That's the building we was on last year.
Yeah. Like that?
Yeah, on the left.
Right here?
Yeah, the smaller building with the lights across the top
Oh,
of
yeah,
it.
yeah. Yep. This building, I got the blue lights on. Oh, I see her. I see it. I see it. I saw it. I saw it. I see it. Oh my gosh. What? Freak. Oh.
We're about 1 or 2 minutes away from the finale beginning, y'all. Mm-hmm. They speeding it up. Here it comes. And here we go.
You see this? Okay, where you at? Where you at?
Ready for it.
Right here.
She ain't done yet. One more minute. And it's gonna get ugly up there. Moonshot. That's the missile batteries. They got the missile batteries going now, so the finale should be coming.
Yeah.
Here it come.
Sick boom. It's coming from the back there.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming from the back.
You know those missile batteries don't go that high. That's why I took them out my show.
Yeah. Took it out. Took it out. Missile battery. No missile batteries.
Those canisters. Those are canisters.
Oh, those canisters. Canisters. Show. On your show. Look.
They're gonna let the rest of the boat go.
Whoa!
Oh!
What the? Oh!
Come on.
Shoot! What? Oh!
Here comes the finale now.
Oh! Shark!
Putting them up.
Oh! Come on, bro. That's not a big boom. Sound on it? Shoot! Come on. Hey! Hey! They can't be anything but those boats and those cats. Because it's everywhere they go. Come on. Anything but that far. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm a little shaky.
Shoot.
Ain't the best shot in the world.
Boom. Boom. Whoa. Boom, boom, boom.
You having fun, buddy?
Oh, shoot. Oh, let's go.
Here they come.
Let's go.
There it is.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
That is so pretty! Set it off, baby! Set it off!
All right, y'all. That's your 2023 Ford and Parade Company fireworks, baby. Wasn't the best view, but I get you a rooftop view again next year. We gonna catch you later. Like, subscribe, put some likes on this video, man. We need that so we can get out here and do some more adventures for y'all. Love you. Later.